Welcome to the studio. Well, not the studio. We're in a trailer and we are loading all of these awesome Christmas gifts that were all 3D printed by our community for the LM Show's 2024 Christmas Community Print Drive. And we are just getting ready to leave the house. And we have pallets of toys. And unrelated, we have pallets of polymaker filament and all sorts of awesome stuff in this trailer. Content coming soon on this. It's gonna blow your mind. So make sure you like this video and make sure you've subscribed. We are heading down to the valley, which is out that way behind me. We are delivering these Christmas toys that are all 3D printed. There's about 30 in each one. They've got cards, they've got stickers, they've got all sorts of fun stuff in there. And we are taking these specifically down to the Boys and Girls Club and the YMCA in our area to hand out to hundreds and hundreds of children. And we've already shipped thousands of them around the world. And these are kind of like the remaining ones that we need to get out. And I gotta get out of the way here because there's more coming up this ramp. There's a 3D printed jack block down there in the snow. Just driving off the ranch. How many gifts do you think you guys have wrapped?
1,000.
Somewhere over 1,000. 1,000, okay, more than 1,000, okay. And I think we have about 250 to 500 more to do. So you guys ready? We're at the end. Do you think you could do it? Push through?
Yeah.
Do another 250 to 500 gifts and we'll be done?
Yes.
Married to the 1,000, can't be that.
That's right. We are here at the YMCA and we've just unloaded about 400 gifts for children for Christmas from the LM Show's Christmas Community Print Drive. It's pretty awesome. Everyone in the family has been helping carry these in. We're almost done. And then here we head off to the Boys and Girls Club. All right. Kids are passed out. They've had a long day of loading a trailer, unloading a trailer, and now we're driving to another city to unload more. These are going to the Boys and Girls Club here in Moses Lake. That's where we're at right now. And then this will take us maybe about an hour or so, and then we have an hour and a half back home. And then we're not done. We have more toys to put in boxes. So far we've driven like 12,500 miles for this year's Christmas Community Print Drive, which is crazy. And also, I've given out more than 10,000 spools of polymaker filament. That is crazy. And think, next year, I'm gonna do more than that. So make sure you're subscribed and like this video. Now, what's in those gifts? This year we did a city theme. So it was all sorts of things like cars and buses and buildings and street signs and construction. It was awesome. Each box has about 30 toys or so in there, and it's wrapped, it has a card. It's really for ages kind of like 3 and up. We really did this so that we could share 3D printing with the world and kind of do it in a really fun, interesting way. We get to solve 2 problems: share 3D printing, but of course we get to help bring toys to children all around the world. And not only do the children get some joy, but think about the parents, think about the guardians. We get to relieve so much pressure and so much stress by helping them have the gifts that they need for these children. Put smiles on everyone's faces. Logistically, I want you to think about this. 80,000 3D prints, like 80,000 3D printed toys. Think about that. That is hundreds and hundreds of boxes, thousands of pounds in 3D prints showing up at our studios. Last year we did like 22,000, 23,000 toys, and it like more than tripled it this year. It's incredible. And so I think even next year we're gonna beat it. I don't want to make a prediction, but I'm thinking maybe what if we did 250,000, or what if we did 500,000? And I have ways to do this. Okay, here we are. We are pulling up to the Boys and Girls Club here in Moses Lake, Washington. And got the trailer behind us, and we are going to, how many are we giving them? 250?
250 to 300.
250 to 300 gifts. Oh, we had a little bit of a load shift. I had to hit the brakes pretty hard. So many gifts. I got a pile of them here. I'll get it for you. Nice, like how you got the cart going. All right, it's getting dark. Let's go. Are these the last ones? Awesome. 25 more and that's it. Then we'll take them in there and we'll look what we got. Perfect. Yep. We delivered like 300 plus here to the Boys and Girls Club in Moses Lake, Washington of these gifts. And now we're headed back home where we got to start making more gifts because we're going to be in Brewster, Washington for the Boys and Girls Club there. And I think we're taking how many there? 250 or 250 to them. So anyway, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Everyone, bye. Merry Christmas.